Hello learners, welcome to Proficiency course in Russian Level 2. Before going any further, we must try to understand why we should learn Russian language. So here I am with some of the most compelling reasons to learn Russian. Russian is one of the most widely spoken languages of the world. If statistics are to be believed, then more than 260 million people worldwide use Russian as the medium of communication. In the countries such as Ukraine, Belarus, Uzbekistan, Tajikistan, Kazakhstan, Azerbaijan, and others, which were part of the erstwhile Soviet Union, Russian is widely spoken. For many parts of the Eastern Europe, Russian serves as the second language because of their proximity to Russia and its socio-political influence over this part of the world. Knowing Russian will also enhance your employability for the reason that job opportunities in foreign languages are not restricted to people who stay in the close proximity to the country where a particular language is spoken. Thanks to the technological advancements such as internet, video calling, and multilingual web platforms, the MNCs are hiring people from all over the world if they find them suitable for their requirement. Not just that, Russian language can help you in securing jobs in government sectors, especially in defense, education, oil and gas, and space, as India has many ongoing projects in collaboration with Russia and many more in the pipeline, for which hundreds of Russian language experts would be required shortly. Other than that, if you are interested in traveling, there is huge opportunity in the tourism and hospitality sector, as the Russians account for the most number of tourists visiting India every year. As you can see, that with the knowledge of Russian language, you can aspire to become a translator, an interpreter, a teacher, a content writer, a tourist guide, an international business facilitator, to name a few. Of course, it depends on one's academic qualification and the level of proficiency of the language concerned. To attain a specific level of proficiency in a foreign language, there are some prerequisites for the learners which we must briefly take into account. The first and the most important thing a learner should have is the passion to learn. This is the only thing that will keep you motivated through the course. Initially, the learners may find it challenging to keep their interest alive. However, your passion will ignite the interest and that will see you through. A learner is also required to pay attention to each and every concept given in the modules. If you skip something, you might find it difficult later to understand the concepts. Maintaining the sequence and continuity is also highly desirable. Wherever possible, a learner should try to communicate with native speakers of Russian. A learner can also use the social media platforms for this purpose. Now, let me give you some of the highlights of the course. As it is an online course, you can take your own time to go through the modules. Russian is written in Cyrillic script, which is different from the scripts we are familiar with. So, we have tried to go slow in the initial chapters dealing with the script. I would advise you all to put in as much effort as possible in learning the script. It is going to be smoother as you progress. All the explanations are given in English for greater clarity. Plus, you are free to go back and forth as many times as you like until you understand the concepts perfectly. There's no reason to be daunted by grammatical terminology. There are assignments and self-assessment exercises to help you monitor your progress. At the end of the course, there will be a final evaluation in the form of a test. So after having understood the nuances of the course, I'm sure you must be raring to go. Just try to have 3 Ds of success, which are determination, dedication, and devotion. I sincerely hope you'll put in your best efforts, and by the end of this course, you'll be proficient enough to initiate a communication with the Russian with confidence. Enjoy this course. Let us start the journey together. I wish you all the best. До свидания. Bye for now, as they say in Russian.